Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can use Remind Me on Reddit. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So first you need to open the web browser of your choice and you just need to go to the source bar that is on the top and write Reddit and press enter in the keyboard and the source result will be shown to you. You just have to click on the Reddit and your Reddit interface will be shown to you. So in order to activate the Remind Me options, Remind Me features, you just have to select the post which you want to come back or which you want the Reddit to remind you. So when you select an post, then you can just go to their comment box, and to use the Remind Me features there is a syntax, and the syntax is to write remind me exclamation mark and the time, and after that you need to add a message. And when you have written this, you can just click on the comment button that is on the right side of the comment box and press on the comment, and you have successfully commented. And after 2 hours the Reddit bot will remind you about this post, and you can see that in the notification box. The notification box is in the top right hand side. There is a bell icon. You just need to click here, and after the time that you have added, they will remind you about the post. So this is how you can easily use Remind Me features on Reddit. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.